The YHStick bituminous membranes are designed to provide full bond waterproofing solutions. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process for YHStick premium self-adhered waterproof membranes. All required tools and materials shall be prepared before application. YHStick membrane may be applied on concrete, CMU, and wood. Prepare the substrate properly. Ensure the substrate clean, dry, sound, and free of latents, loose sand, and cracks. Prime the substrate to enhance adhesion. Apply primer YHB2 primer 4035 or 4050 by roller or spray. All corner joints shall be pre-striped prior to installation of the field membrane. Membrane for corner detailing shall be cut to size accordingly. For drain outlet detailing, cut the membrane patch to size. Fold it neatly, set it in place, and adhere it firmly to the primed substrate. Apply a 20-inch wide membrane at wall floor junctions, with 10 inches coverage on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. Prepare and cut internal corner membrane patches to size, then position and adhere patches to the substrate. Cover equipment bases with YHStick membrane. Cut the membrane to required dimensions. Position the pre-cut patches and adhere them firmly to the substrate. Install membrane detailing patches on all external corners as required. Prior to installation YHStick bituminous membrane. Unroll the membrane and allow it to relax for several minutes to release built-up stress, enabling smoother placement. Peel the release liner at a consistent 45-degree pull angle until it is completely removed. Apply firm uniform pressure with a hand roller to secure the membrane without shifting. Install the next sheet with a minimum 3.5-inch side lap. Use pre-printed lines to maintain straight courses. Overlap all end laps by a minimum of 6 inches. End laps are to be staggered and rolled the entire surface of the YHStick membrane. Overlapping parts of T-shaped joints require 45-degree miter cuts. Cover equipment base with YHStick membrane. Cut the membrane to size for a proper fit at external corners. For the installation on vertical upstands and internal corners, cut the membrane to specified lengths, align sheets with the laying direction, and fully bond them to preceding sheets. Ensure all overlaps are watershedded. All the membrane termination at the vertical surface shall be mechanically fixed with termination bar and sealed with YH Seal 4090. The YHStick membrane range is installed by peel and stick method. With proven safety and stable performance, these products are well suited for commercial and residential underground structures and roofing projects. OYH delivers reliable and professional waterproofing system solutions. Visit our official website and social media platforms to learn more about our full product range.